Hey, it's Felicity. There was a little change of plans. I'm still going to Seattle, but, the opening video, it won't come for a week. Wait, yeah, it won't come for a week. Wait, actually 2 weeks. Ow, so clumsy. You know what? I'm actually gonna sit. Be right back. Okay, so there's a little update thing going on. So, let me just get it. Aw, dang it, I think it's upstairs. Okay, be right back. Okay, so here is all my food. And if you're wondering, this is cake. My water bottle. It used to be mouthwash today. This is all the drink section right here. See? See, I have all the Capri Suns. Blah! Dr. Pepper. Lip smacker. My water bottle that says Felicity on the back. And this little McDonald's thing that I just made today. It was a little tricky. Okay, moving on to the movie night section. First, we have the popcorn. Yummy. Then the pizza. Speaking of pizza. Okay, moving on to the junk food section. Yummy. This is just a little cream tart thing with raspberries on the tops. The lollipops Mom made. There's a green one. Mom needs to make a yellow one. I love the yellows. Okay. This is cakes that I am very horribly bad at making it. It's another cream tart thing. Am I making you hungry? If I am, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is all my food. Oh, if you're wondering how to make these, you just cut them out of these. You just cut out the flavors. So right here, it's Pacific Cooler, but I accidentally just cut out Cooler. See how long it is? It would be extra wide too. See, I use staples on this one and tape on the other ones. But yeah, it's on my food. Oh, here's another overview. Here's an overview. Just a sec. See, here's the overview. Yeah. I hoped you liked that. If you didn't, I'm sorry for making you bored to death. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.